Yo, GM guys, so welcome back to another episode of our weekly videos with GNextFX brand. So today, like we always do, I'm going to be showing you simple ways to identify price reversal. I've discovered over time that price reversal has been a major way of making money in the forex market, and the problem is a lot of people have challenges identifying when price is going to reverse. Patterns will occur before you can confirm that there's going to be a reversal on price. So today I'm going here to teach you those patterns that you need to look out for before you confirm that price is basically going to reverse from an uptrend to a downtrend, or from a downtrend to an uptrend, guys. So join me as we dive in. Alright guys, so before we dive in, I just want us, like we always do, to look out for a simple example that explains these patterns. I'm just going to be showing you two important patterns that you need to be looking out for on a chart to identify that there is going to be reversal from an uptrend to a downtrend, or from a downtrend to an uptrend, guys. So the first pattern I'm going to be showing you is called a double top. For a double top, you want to look out for a double top on an uptrend, guys. So double top is simply a pattern that looks like an M. It has two key tops, and a neckline, guys. So the first thing you want to look out for trading double top, you want to look out for the trend of the market. Is it an uptrend? Is it a downtrend? So we always want to trade the double top with an uptrend, preferably. So this is the trend, an uptrend first. Price is going to give you a high, and then price is going to give a neckline which does not break the previous lower high. Price is going to come back to that high, giving us a second top. But you discover something funny, that price is unable to break that high for a double top, and then moves downward to break below the neckline. So this confirms that this is a double top, and we can comfortably look for an entry when price breaks below the neckline right here, guys. So that's just it for an uptrend. So we're going to move over to the downtrend just to see an example also. So right here on the downtrend, so to confirm a double bottom, this is called a double bottom right here. Remember, on an uptrend you want to be looking out for double tops. On a downtrend you want to be looking out for a double bottom pattern. So a double bottom pattern simply is just an opposite of the double top. Double bottom is just a W pattern in the chart. So right here you see that price was moving downward and then came here and formed a new lower low. So price gives us a new lower low and then continues upward, gives us a neckline, and then comes back and is unable to break the previous lower low right here. It reverses and continues upward and breaks above this neckline right here. That gives us a confirmation that this is a double bottom pattern and price is about to reverse, guys. So that's just basically it. So the things you want to be looking out for before trading each of this pattern are: number one, you want to look out for the trend. Is there an uptrend? For an uptrend you want to be looking out for double tops. For a downtrend you want to be looking out for double bottoms. The second thing you need to be looking out for are the necklines, guys. Remember, price has to give you, for an uptrend, a higher high. For a downtrend, price has to give you a lower low right here, and then price has to give you a neckline that does not break below the higher low. For a downtrend, price has to give you a neckline that does not break above the lower high, guys, for a downtrend. So for an uptrend, price will come back and is unable to break above the higher high, giving us a second top in the same zone, guys. So that's something you need to take note of. So for a downtrend, you see that price will come back but is unable to break below the second bottom, giving us a confirmation that price is going to continue to the upside, guys. So another key thing you need to be looking out for: price has to break this neckline for you to confirm. So guys, that's just basically it for trading double tops and double bottoms. So we are going to move over to a live chart so we can look out for examples and how to execute them and make profit in the live chart, guys. Yo guys, welcome back. So this is a perfect example of what we are looking at right here. So to trade a double bottom, this is a double bottom example. Why? Because you can see that price was moving down, price was on a downtrend on USD JPY on the 5-minute chart, and then price decided to consolidate a little, giving us the first lower low. As you can see, this is a lower low, and then a neckline. Remember our example, and then it came back and price was unable to break below the lower low right here. So we can consider this our first bottom, our neckline, and then our second bottom right here. So what is the next thing we are to expect? The next thing we are to expect is for price to break above this neckline. Remember, we said price needs to break above the neckline to give us a confirmation. So right here we are going to just be marking out a few zones. First, I want to mark out this zone right here, the neckline. So the next zone I'm going to be marking out are these two zones, the first bottom and the second bottom. So guys, you want to pay close attention to that. So right here we are to expect price to move upward to break above this neckline, and then possibly break above this zone too. Our entry, we are going to be taking our entry when price gives us a retest of the neckline, guys. I'm always big on price coming back to retest a particular zone after breaking out of it. So we are going to be entering when price gives us a retest of our neckline. So basically we're going to be taking this trade from this zone right here. Okay guys, so we have our TP right here. So you see how easy that strategy was. You just identify the trend and then identify when price is going to reverse, see the reversal right here, and you see how easy it was for price to just break above our neckline, come back and give us a confirmation. So that's just basically it for trading a double bottom pattern. So we are going to be looking for, we're going to move to an example of the double top pattern right here, guys. So let's see how it works on the chart. All right guys, so this is a nice pattern right here. So we can see that price is currently moving to the upside, but you can see there's a little changes here. We can see that price is a little bit looking like a consolidation right here. So basically the neckline should look like a consolidation. So price is currently moving to the upside, like I said, and then it has given us a higher high with a higher low, which we can consider as our neckline, and then price came back and gave us another touch right here. So I'm just going to be marking out this zone right here, and I'm going to be marking out another zone which we can consider as our neckline right here. So as you can see right here, we will be expecting price to break below our neckline and also give us a retest of our neckline, just like we did in the double bottom. Then we can confirm and take our entry. So we should be taking our entry from this zone right here. For a downward movement, we should be taking our entry from this zone right here. Okay guys, so as you can see right here, we have our TP right here. You can see price broke below our neckline for a downtrend, came back into retest and then moved downward to our TP, as you can see. So we have our neckline right here. This is confirmed. So just like we did on the double bottom pattern, for a double top, first you want to look at the trend. This is an uptrend. For an uptrend, to trade patterns, you want to be trading the double top patterns, guys. You don't want to be looking out for a double bottom in an uptrend, guys. So for an uptrend, this is the double top pattern. That's for reversal. You can see that price gave us our first top and then give us the neckline and then give us our second top, which was unable to pull through from the first top, guys. Then price moved downward to break below our neckline. So this is the key to trading each of these patterns. Price has to break below the neckline and then give us a confirmation, which was coming back of price to retest, after that price continued downward to our take profit. So guys, that's basically it for this week's video. Please do well to like and subscribe, and also turn on our notification on our YouTube channel so as to get notified whenever we post our YouTube videos. And also follow us on all our social media handles. The links will be on the description of the video below. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel. We offer a lot of premium services, of which I'm sure you wouldn't want to miss out on. And you could also connect to our Telegram channel with great traders and great minds that that can make you profitable in the forex market. So guys, do well to join in. I'll see you guys in the next video, same time, same channel. GMGM guys.